Ron, so let's come back to the beginning. You are a founder of SHHA, so what was the purpose of doing this?
The main purpose is to create a multi-stakeholder platform where we combine the investor, the operator, and stakeholders like banks' perspective. And that's quite unique because we only see initiatives who are only focused on the investor side. And it's actually the main target is to create a mature investment market, and therefore we need to empower operators and also to exchange knowledge, and not only at mature market but also emerging markets. So that was the main goal, and now we're like almost 2 years in a great journey, and the family is getting bigger and bigger. The impact is increasing, so I'm extremely proud as chairman.
And now, if you, of course, when you started, it was the time of COVID. So, of course, COVID is a game changer a little bit on the market. But if you see now, looking forward, hopefully that, we are entering the post-COVID reality, where do you see the pain points in the industry?
Yeah, I totally agree. After COVID, we've actually organized focus groups. So we have specialized focus groups. One is on the research side, the other is on impact investing, but also, for example, future-proof nursing home facilities. And that's really where the demand is, because it's about new concepts. For example, also on senior living, how can we make people live longer at home? And also the emerging markets, for example, Baltics, CEE, SEE. These countries are really searching for best practices. And I do look forward that we are able to visit countries, that we organize real-time briefings together. And I think after COVID, that's really an opportunity. So really looking forward, yeah.
But when you take a look on the, let's say, also some challenges of the market, it is very often emphasized by the operators, but also by the developers that, of course, we are planning the solutions, but the social context and sometimes the acceptance for such a solution, like, creating something for the seniors that is not their homes, yes, might be a challenge here. Do you think that as an association you could also somehow address this topic, maybe create some research, global research, to understand not who are today's seniors, but who are the seniors of the future and what are their expectations in terms of the care for their late 60s or 70s?
I think it's one of the goals, and also the main purpose is to gain insights about the request of residents. So it's really also an operational type of business. So operations is key to gain insights on this perspective, and also to develop new insights about, okay, what is the future demand? That's really key. And I'm really convinced that we have actually all the industry leaders on board. So we are also able to develop new insights, maybe new standards about how we organize future-proof healthcare real estate business. Because in the end, it's about people's life and also improving the healthcare workers' perspective. And that's also my personal purpose, is to make this type of impact.
So quality living and living longer.
Absolutely.